Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review. Watch before using. Charles Schwab's Intelligent Portfolios Premium is an automated investing service with financial planning tools and access to human advisors. Unlike its free tier counterpart, this premium version charges a one-time $300 planning fee plus a $30 monthly advisory fee, making it ideal for long-term investors who want a hybrid robo-advisor with personalized guidance. The platform offers a well-diversified, low-cost ETF portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals, automatically rebalanced and tax loss harvested when applicable. It includes an interactive financial planning tool powered by Schwab's proprietary algorithms, allowing users to simulate different scenarios for retirement, education savings, and other financial milestones. One standout feature is unlimited one-on-one access to CFP professionals, a significant advantage over other robo-advisors that only provide general guidance or limit advisor interactions. The service is designed for investors who want a mix of automation and human insight, particularly those with at least $25,000 to invest. However, the monthly fee structure may not be cost-effective for those with smaller portfolios, as the percentage-based cost declines only with higher balances. The investment strategy focuses on diversification across up to 20 asset classes, including domestic and international stocks, bonds, REITs, and commodities, ensuring a comprehensive approach to wealth management. While the automated management is excellent, some drawbacks include the mandatory cash allocation, which can be higher than competitors, reducing potential market exposure. Additionally, while the CFP access is valuable, it may not fully replace the personalized wealth management that some high net worth investors require. Compared to competitors like Betterment and Wealthfront, Schwab's premium offering justifies its higher cost with personalized financial planning and direct human interaction. But if you're looking for a purely low-cost automated investing solution, other options might be more suitable. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium is best for investors who want a robo-advisor with direct financial planning support and are comfortable with a flat fee model. If you need a comprehensive, tech-driven approach to long-term investing with human advisors readily available, it's a strong choice. However, if minimizing costs or maximizing market exposure is your priority, you may want to consider alternatives.